Lesson 3, quadratic function. We're going to identify domain and range. So our given function is negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. Which I'm going to do, I'm going to type it in decimals. So I'm going to go to decimals. I'll click this off for now because in this lesson we are not factoring anymore. So let's click it all out. Now what I'm going to do is type in my equation. Negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. Okay, I'm going to remove that. All right, so let's look at our graph. We want the vertex, so it's 1, 4. So your x is 1, and that's 4. Now, draw little arrows here. That way you could tell for domain. So let's recap for domain. Now, before we even start, let me show you which way is which we're in. So domain is your x, which is measured from here to here. I'll just put a D here. Now, the way to remember that is, see this x-axis? Domain is x, right? So it'll just be measured the same way. Now let's go to range. Range would be measured from bottom to top. Let's put an R. So in case you forget which way to go, to recap, see this? This is your y-axis. So they are parallel to each other. So your y, your y. Okay, now let's actually do this problem. So number 1, let's go to this one, our domain. I'm just going to put D for domain. So when we have 2 arrows, we cannot measure the points. So our domain is all real numbers. This is a shortcut. We'll go back to the other page. Okay, let's go to our range. Our range. Remember how I told you? Get that vertex because it's from bottom to top. Bottom we cannot measure, so that's all real numbers first. And then have our y, because we can measure the top. Now let's get our y. Our y is 4, so write up 4. Now, in order to know which way our sign's going, if it's going to be greater than and equal to or less than equal to, there's a little trick. Let me write it for you real quick up here. Anytime the parabola, which is this curve, goes up, y is greater than equal to. Anytime parabola goes down, y is less than equal to. Okay, so now our parabola is going down, so we are using less than equal to. So that's our range. So let's get back to our other page. We could select our answer. Let me erase this real quick. Okay, so we had domain was all real numbers. So we could get rid of that one because these are all real numbers. In math, every time you take a test, there's always 3 similar answers. It's never the one which is not similar. That one you can always exclude. All right. Now our y, we knew it was 4. So let's look for 4. So we could get rid of that one. So we have these 4s. Now our curve went down. So it was y is less than equal to. So it has to be B. This one. Because of our curve.